Hi, and welcome to Desmond 9's Event Forum. Part of your grade this quarter includes attending 3 events and posting about your experience of those events here. You must post about your first event by July 8th, your second event by July 22nd, and your third event by August 5th. In addition to posting your written response, you must also include a web link to your event. To complete this assignment, you will also want to post photos or other images related to your event or to the subject of your event. If you want to include a link to a video or embed a video in your post, you can do that as well. Now let's review how to post to the event forum. First, go to the event forum, click on Event 1, and then click on Post New Thread. Give your event post a descriptive title. From here, you will want to paste the text of your event posting in the text editor. You can format your text using the formatting tool in this editor. Remember, if you are copying your text from Microsoft Word, the best practice in a text editor is to click on the Paste Text from Word button. Doing this cleanses a lot of unnecessary code out of your text. This code can lead to unexpected results, so it's a common best practice to paste your text from Word by using this additional feature. If you're familiar with HTML formatting, you can format your text by manipulating HTML using the source view. When you have finished working in source view, click on the source button again to return to the default text editor window. Next, to post a link in your text, copy the link's URL and then from the rich text editor, click on the Insert Edit Link button on the menu. Paste the URL into the empty URL box and click OK. Next, to post an image to the event forum, make sure that you have easy access to the image or images you want to use on your computer. We recommend that you size your image before you post it into the forum. On this forum, the maximum size for best results is not more than 600 pixels wide. Once you have your image ready to post, return to the forum's text editor and click on the Insert Edit Image button in the text editor menu. Then click on the Browse Server button. This brings you to the FCK editor, a resource browser in Cole. This is the folder location of any image you upload for your blogs or your forums in this class. If you already have a folder for your images, click on that folder. If not, go to the bottom of the page and click Create a New Folder and create your folder. Then click on the Browse button at the bottom of the page and find the image you want to post on your computer. Click on the image you want to post, click Open, and then at the bottom right corner of the FCK editor, click Upload. These actions upload the image to your folder. Now, to add the image to your forum or blog, click on the image name. You will now see a thumbnail version of your image and some of its properties in the dialog box. You can change these image properties here if you like. Finally, post your image to your forum or blog by clicking OK. If you want to embed a video in your forum or blog, you'll first want to post your video to YouTube. If you want your video to be private, you can make your video unlisted when you post it to YouTube. While your video can't be completely private if you want to share it with your class, setting your YouTube privacy settings to unlisted when you upload your video to YouTube means that only those people who have the link can view your video, so you have control over who can see your video. Once the course is over, if you want it to be completely private, you can either set the video's privacy settings to private, or you can remove the video. After your YouTube video is posted, or if you're using a video that's already on YouTube, click on the Share button below the YouTube video player. Then click on the Embed button. The easiest way to completely embed your video in this course at this time is to select Use Old Embed Code. Select and copy all of the embed code in the dialog box. The embed code begins and ends with the word object. Once you have the code copied, return to your forum or blog text editor on Cole and click on the Source button in the upper left part of the text editor menu. When you see your text in the editor, this time with all of the HTML code around it, position your cursor at the location where you want your video to appear, and paste the embed code. Check to be sure that your embed code begins and ends with the word object. Click on the Source button again, and now, when you post your message to the forum, you will see your video embedded in your posting. That's all for now. We hope you have a great time at your events and that you have fun with your event postings and your blog postings.